It's just crazy because it's like I'm paying more than my rent to a credit card payment, which is like, ah. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my budget for the month of November and how I plan on spending or paying off debt this month. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. Before we get into everything, have you subscribed to the channel? If not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I would greatly appreciate it. I have a goal to hit 5,000. If you've seen my other videos, you know about this goal. If you have yet to hit that subscribe button, help me achieve my goal. Thank you. Back to the video. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm like kind of a nerd and I really enjoy sitting down at the beginning of the month and going over my budget and seeing like, what am I gonna do this month? What am I gonna focus on? And all of that. So I really like these videos, so let's get started. As you can see, this is my overall budget. I like making these graphics too. It just makes it like very clear where my money's going. So first is housing. Housing is at 29% of my take-home pay. Again, these pie charts are on my take-home pay. So housing is 29%, and that is my rent, it's my energy or utilities, and it's also my phone bill, and that is 29%. Next is living. So that is groceries, shopping, eating out, household, entertainment. What does that mean in 2020? And I've also, it's higher than previous months because I've also included gas in that category. And if you've seen my other video, you saw that I'm trying out YNAB as a budgeting platform. I like it. There's some things that I have to figure out, but I'll give you like a more detailed opinion on YNAB in the future. Next is subscriptions, and I'm proud to say that my subscriptions are only 1% of my overall budget, which is like really nice because sometimes it seems like, oh my God, I'm paying for all these subscriptions. But when I look at the big picture, it's only like 1% of my take-home pay. So I think I'm doing pretty good. Next up is giving, and that is at 4%. Gotta give back. Buffer, that is basically like anything that I forgot, like any small thing that pops up, I've set aside 3% for that. Next is treat yourself, because you gotta treat yourself in life. These crazy times that we are living in, it's the little things that help you get through the hard times, right? So 5% is going to treat yourself. Next is my Apple credit card. Gotta make those payments. So that is at 8%. And I'm not doing a lot of extra towards the Apple credit card right now. My main focus is the Citi credit card, which is next at 36%. 36% of my overall budget is going to the Citi credit card, which is insane, but necessary if I'm gonna pay it off as I want to, as aggressively as I want to. It's necessary. It's just crazy because it's like I'm paying more than my rent to a credit card payment, which is like, it's so crazy. Anyway, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my budget. That's my budget for the month. I plan on making a lot of progress to my Citi credit card. Hopefully nothing major pops up this month. Spoiler alert, because this is November 7th. Something already happened, so stay tuned for my November debt report and you'll learn what happened. But anyway, let's just assume that this is November 1st and I don't know what's gonna happen. So yes, this is my budget, my projected plan for November. Hopefully everything works out. So thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, leave some comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
you.